What the fuck?
Now smile. Beg your pardon? Smile. Why? Just because. I'm afraid I can't smile without a reason.
How do you call it? Fuck.
Smile. What's the smile about? Just
Hello, I'm Bruno Hoffmann, 70 years old and from Siegen in Germany. Check out my We the People bike.
Listen up, perform cracks. It's time to knuckle down, boys. Back on your heads. Get your shoulders.
I ride the We the People Scorpio frame. Top tube is 20.75. I don't really have it this long, but I'm into it. I know, feels good so far.
Think about yourself.
I ride the Eclat Audi Crips. I really like them. After like 2 weeks you got into them, I really start feeling good. And I got the Eclat stem and the new Eclat fork. Don't really know anything about it yet, but
But there's never any tomorrow come.
I ride the Eclat hubs in front and back, also with the Eclat rims. I also ride the We the People Toxic packs in front and back, as well as the We the People Feeling tires. They're good. I got the We the People cranks. Also got the Eclat plastic pedals. Can never really go wrong with some plastic pedals. Got a We the People slim seat. Simple one. Alright, that's it. Hope you liked my bike check. Peace out.